Did you know you can sublimate on dark clothes if you bleach it? The ticket is knowing if a shirt will bleach out and also paying attention to the polyester count. So let's test a few out. First, sublimate your design onto a shirt. You do need a high polyester count, and if you need more help on how to sublimate, the first video in this series is right up your alley, called Sublimation 101. Once it is done, take it outside and bleach out around the area. You can also bleach the shirt first if you want to make sure that the shirt is bleachable. The sublimation will stay and the shirt should bleach, which is kind of like magic, so it's really fun to do. Rinse your shirt out completely when the bleach gets to the point that you want with water and then dry it out. And then you're done. This makes sublimation so exciting and opens up the world of possibilities.
What? I'm trapped. What the? So rinse it with rum. We need to do like a behind the scenes.
Yeah.
How does that happen?
What is even happening?
Right.
Are they like letting all the water out of the building?
I don't know.
What's that for?
There's a dude in there.
Hi, May.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Got it.
Yeah, we just got a little freaked out. We were standing out right there. Right by the water. Oh man. I wasn't even thinking about that.
You really busy dude.
And I'm never